Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the submission. Remember that we created the templates for the assignment. So now here we're going to work with the submission, the student submissions, and etc. So let's open the course template here, and then here in submissions, let's add, let's copy, paste it here, and then submissions. Okay, that's the URL. So when the URL, let's have it here. So submissions, okay. Okay, so this one is the student submissions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new collection with header. Like that. Let's copy this one. Let's go down here. Let's put teacher. So you know it's in the teacher mode. That's just looking at. Let's copy this one. Let's put a link to see the student submissions. Right? And then here, this is the URL, student submission. Student submissions. But we need to check that the person that can see that is the teacher. And also we're going to add a check in the view, so we make sure that just the teacher can access to this view here. Okay. Actually, let's do it now. Here. Else. Like that. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is for the teacher mode, and then we will see that. We will see the student submissions, okay? Perfect. Let's close that one. And so now in assignment, let's create a new file. We're going to call it submissions.html. This one is for the student. So what we're going to do, let's go to course. I'm going to create something very simple. Just going to copy this thing, right? I don't need that. And let me check. I don't need that. And I don't need that. And let's put this one. This is the submissions. Let's put this one active, right? Okay. So here, what is, oh, this is the announcements. Okay, load this, okay, down ends there. Just be really quick. My submissions. Then I'm just going to create a simple table. Let me go here. Table. Just copy this. I'm just going to put like a table there. Table. First one, assignment. Then do. Then submit it. Then status. Score. Um, check. The score, we'll put it, that's for the assignment. So out of basically how much we got in that, and then graded by. Okay, that will be the headers. Let's put, let me check here. So here we put for grade in, because remember we're checking the here the grades, right? So grades in, for grade in grades, let me open the models. Okay. Grade dot submission dot assignment type, because we need to get the we're calling this one the submission, and then the assignment, and then the title. We're doing like a lookup in the same thing here. Okay, that's for the title. Now we need the do. So same thing. Grade that submission. That's the submission, and we can find the do assignment do. So grade submission, and this is when the student submitted it, and that's in the submission date. DD, and now the status. So here we put grade dot status, and we get grade points. This is basically out of how many points you got. And then we put the person who graded it. So, oh no, that's the score. We need to put the out of now. So put grade that summation, right? That assignment. Now we put points to get out of, like how many points you will get with that one. So here we put graded by, and then get full. This is the user, so we get the full name. Okay, so here we put in4. Yeah, very simple like that. That's for the summations. Now for the teacher. Okay, so let's create a new file. This one will be for the teacher. So let's put it's student grades.html. And for the teacher, let's get cursed. And let's copy this whole thing. Let's copy this whole thing, paste it here. Let's put this one active. Well, oh, we need to remove that one. So in the curse, let's remove this one active. Let's save. I know you can if you want to, you can create a like a HTML file and then call like include and like call basically all these HTML paths are like repetitive. You can just do that, but here just doing like really simple because we don't want to spend too much time in the templates, even though we're spending too much time in the template. Okay, so really quick, let's call this one. Let's copy student grades. Let's paste it here. Let's put student submissions, right? But for the teacher, it will be different. We need to put, let's add one more here. Let's put a student. Right? Let's put the username of that student. Then assignment, do status, score, out of, and then graded by. And here, let's put another one. Let's put grade, and this one will be like a button. Okay. DD. So we need to get the student first. So grade that summation that user that get full name. Okay. Okay. Let's copy, paste it here. Now we're getting the username. And then we got assignment title, assignment due, grade point. So on the status, let's put a big tag here so we can like see if we graded it or not. Okay. That one, So now we need to create a new ID here. And this one will be the A tag. This one will take us to We go to the URLs here in Classroom. This one should take us to grade summation. So grade summation. We need to pass the course ID and the grade ID. Remember, here we can just put a icon. Class. Real. And then here we put the mode. Okay. Okay, that should be it for that, for the student grades. Now for the final. Okay. Let's close that one. Let's Classroom, new file. Let's name it grade summation.html. Okay. And we can just, yeah, let's just copy this whole thing and paste it here. We can just do it like that, like active. So section. Okay. So here, let's put a grade that summation that user that full. We're getting the user full name here. And then let's get the grade that summation that username to get the user. Now let me check page. I think we can just copy something from here. Okay, page. Let me just do it in a different way. Okay. Okay, now and then center align. I'm going to have like a little car panel here. Right. Then here, let's put on the top, let's put the oops. And then let's put whoops. Grade summation that comment just to see the comment of the student. And then here, let's put its file. So let me see, page. Let's copy this tip. Oops. Okay, here. Paste it here. So grade that summation get file name, and then grade that submission. Get me the submission. I'm confused. Let's go to assignment. Submission, and okay, we need file. File, grade submission, file URL, then download, so we can download the file. So, okay. Okay, that's how we get the file for the student. Now let's create a form here. Let me take quiz. This form that we got here. Let's take it. Paste it here. So action will be URLs. This action here, the grade submission. Okay. Grades submit. 1 second. Okay, grade summation. And you take the cursor D and then grade summation. Course ID and the grade ID. We don't need that one. So let me just create that. So for the assignment, we need to indicate the picture what was the maximum score or maximum point, assignment point, right? And then so here we put grade that submission that assignment that point, right? Put it like that. Okay. And now here we put the input here. Input field 12. And now here we put here we go. Form test input. Let's copy this one. Just like that. Separate so we can see. S12. Let's put this one +1. That's the one with the +1 thing. So input type test. In this one, let's name it point. Very important. We have to name it point. And then let's put points. And then we just submit that. Hit save. Now let's test it. Okay. Let's log with the teacher. Your courses. Oh, can you see the student submission things here? We got an error. Okay, let me see. Let me start closing all of these. Classroom course. We have okay, we forgot something here. That's fine. Okay, save, refresh. Okay, this is the table. Remember, we have nothing here. Okay, let's go to the student. Let me see. Student grades. That's where the student submission. Okay, student submissions. It's. Let me see. What's the template that it's calling? Okay, student grades. So this one. We don't need to show that because it's the teacher, of course, in that area. It's okay. We have we're missing something there too. Let's refresh, go home. Okay, module. Let's create a new assignment. Oh, we have an error there. We need to go to module. Oh, we haven't added. Let's go to module. Here, modules. And then in this button, we haven't added the assignment thing. Let's just copy, paste it, new assignment, and then here, just like that. Now we need to load all the assignments. And let's just copy. For assignment, in assignments, we put it there. Let me check. I forgot. Yes, okay. Assignment at all. And here, assignment detail. Same thing. Here we pass the assignment.id. Okay, and here assignment.title. Fresh. Okay, module, and then here add new assignment. Okay, let's check. Views line 14. Oh. Course ID and then module ID. Oh, new assignment. Why did I put it? Let me check. Okay. The quiz is working great. Let me check. Oh, yeah, we have a tab. We need to pass the course ID here. That's why. So let's go back. Add new assignment. Name context is not defined. I put content. It's context. Sorry about that. Okay, I need assignment. Okay, so now we can add, I just created these files. I'll just put it there. And then I'm going to add first assignment of the class. Please submit your SAT, right? Due for tomorrow. Point, 10 points. Create a new assignment. Okay, we got an error here. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, the problem is that we put add, but in reality it's set. Because go back again. Yes. Assignment of the class. Let's do that again. Let's submit. And it's submitted. Remember, change the to set. I don't know why I put that, but okay, we got here first assignment of the class. Now let's log with one of the students. Here we go. Module, first assignment of the class. Our view, we have its assignment, I think. Okay, it's reverse, la 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 la. We have a check. Line 59. Oh, is this one? If we go to the template in assignment, it's telling us we have let's check the new submission. Okay, it takes a course, module, and then assignment ID. So here, course, module, and assignment ID. I think it's because, yes, we are not passing. We are not passing the course. And we're not passing the module. Okay, save, refresh. Okay, and we got all the files here, the 3 files. Okay, this is the do, the points, and then now as a student, let's start the assignment. Again, we have an error here. Let's check the views. Okay, we are here in the submission. Again, we put module ID. We need to change it to course ID. Start assignment. Now, yeah, we can just submit the file. Let's just submit this file. Let me change the name of that. Let me put homework and then the user. Okay, so we can differentiate, right? Open and This is my assignment, and let's click submit. Okay, now if we go to submissions, let's go, let's see. Oh, it's not working because let's go to more. So in the modules, here in these modules, okay, submissions, we need to put the here, let's put submissions. Okay, let's refresh. And now we can see the submissions. The do, it's not working. Let's check. Assignment. Oh, that's in the classroom. Classroom. Submissions. Oh, we have a typo here, that's why. Okay, status pending. So now if we go to the teacher page, let's go your courses, student submissions, and we can see the, yeah, here we have a typo too. Classroom. Student grades. Okay. Now if we click grade, so we'll be able to grade it. Okay, grade submission, we have a typo there, so let's check the views. Or let's go to classroom views. I believe it's because we're not passing. Okay. Yes. Because we're not passing the course ID, but we can get it from there. Let me check. Because we have that. Let's go to the template. So student grades. Okay, grade submission, course ID, and then the grade ID. Oh, it's in the grade submission, the problem. The HTML here. Okay, here. Let's check the views for the grade submission. Yeah, we need to put course.id. Let's refresh. Okay. This is my assignment. This is the button to download. That's really name. Let me put download. Grade submission. Let me see. Because assignment models. See now. Oh, Okay, we don't need to put file. So we just need to put get file name. Actually, let me put this here. Let me put it in there. Oh, let's get rid of that. Perfect. So this is my assignment. Now we can download its file, you see. And now let's grade it. This person got an 8 or a 9. Submit. And now we can see graded score 9. And then if we go to the user, we should be able to see the grade. Submissions and then graded. Okay. Oh, here we have a typo. Check. Submissions. Oops. Okay, so yeah, we got the assignments done. Everything's working great. In the next video, we're going to start working with the questions, probably. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.